Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today I'm going to show you how we can bulk update our products. To get started, we're going to go into our products module, like into our items. Once we're here into our items, first thing we're going to go do is go up here on the top left to hit on bulk update. Once the bulk updater comes up, you'll see these three right here. Sometimes you have a fourth one depending on your options that are set in the back end. But typically we can update right here with a single item category. So this will bring us a drop-down menu, and then you select which category that you want to start the bulk updating with. For example, we can go and click on air conditioners, and that will let us know that we're about to bulk update 255 of our air conditioners. So this is updating items in a single category. If we slide on over, this is our updating items with matching filters. We will need to select which one of these filters that we want to go ahead and do our bulk update with. So if we were to use the same category as before, I'll drop down the category list and we can go on air conditioners and hit that apply button. So we're applying that one category, which is again that 255 items. And then further, we can go ahead and drill down this even farther. If we want to go on a specific brand or a specific subcategory, we can do that. So for example, go ahead and look at GE. Then once I apply that brand, you can see that 255 items went down to 227 items. So this is with matching filters. And then our third option over here is updating all of the items in the database, which may or may not be desirable depending on what kind of bulk updating function we're trying to do. So staying with this middle one, this is just updating with the matching filters up here. So we've chosen the AC category plus a specific brand, and then we can go ahead and finish our bulk updating. Now we do have a fourth option of bulk updating. This requires us to update the items already selected in the item manager. To do this, let's go ahead and refresh this page. Let's go back to our air conditioners category. And then of these air conditioners, let's say that we want to drill down this even farther and look at the Frigidaire preferred supplier one. So under preferred supplier, we can type in Frigidaire, press apply. And now we have a total list of 85 items. So of the 255 air conditioners we have in here, we've drilled down specifically to 85 of them, and it's basically all of the Frigidaire ones. Now, with these search criteria already selected, now we can go up to the bulk update. And then we're going to be choosing this fourth option, which is updated items already selected in the item manager. And as soon as I selected that, it grabbed us those 85 items. So this fourth option does need to be enabled for you to specifically search for items within the item manager. But for the most part, you can either update items in a single category by selecting it right here, or go ahead and update your matching filters by selecting your different categories, your brands, or in your attributes in this case. And then the third one is to bulk update every single item in the database. So all of my items. The bulk updater does tell you how many items you have selected currently. So if we go back to the currently items selected, we have 85 items that are in there. This 85 items comes from how many records that we have in the item. So right over here, 1 to 25 is how many we can see per page. And then of 85 is going to be the total. Now, to initiate one of these bulk updates, let's go ahead and use the same 85 air conditioners. We'll go to bulk update. We're going to use the fourth option to select those. Now, I just want to increase my sales price by 2%, and I want to make sure I hit that apply button. Now, with that selected, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. On the bottom left, you'll see that you're about to update 85 items. And on the bottom right is how we initiate the bulk update. So once you click that blue bulk update button, you'll see that there's some narrations over here. And then once your bulk updates are done, you will get this successful message right here, letting you know that the bulk update has been successfully done. Once you're done with the bulk update, simply exit the bulk updater, and then you can go and click on items to refresh your catalog to see what changes have been done. So that is how to bulk update your items in AltheaSuite using the bulk updater. You just need to select your criteria either in the bulk updater, or you can do it on the outside right here to be able to specifically search and update those items. Thank you.